Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how to recover online banking account password of Greater Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and search in for a www.greater.com.au and press enter. Here at the official web page of Greater Bank, you can see the option of online banking on top right side of your screen. You click on online banking. You will be directed to the login form page of the online banking account of Greater Bank. Here you need to provide your username and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Greater Bank. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot your password. Click on it. Here to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your date of birth. Then you go in for providing a registered email address. Here, after you provide all the details, you click on continue where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Greater Bank. Thank you.